Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find live notification settings on your account on TikTok, easy and quick. First click on your profile icon, click on this two lines here. Now click settings and privacy, and now click notifications, and here as you see you will find live notification settings. Click on it, and here as you see you can turn it off or turn it on, and that's how to find live notification settings on your account on TikTok, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.